Friends, I hope you are doing well. Here I come back with another video. On today's video, I'm going to show you one of the practical application of a clock pulse to control a valve opening time and a valve closing time. So as you see on the screen, there are two valves that opens for 10 seconds and close for 5 seconds. So we can adjust or set the time here for like 5 minutes or 10 minutes like that for practical. Here I am only showing the how you can do it and to save time. Okay, let's start. If there is no production, this valve has nothing to do. They will close state. If there is production or if the production is selected, so this will work like set it. Okay, let's start production now. So they open for 10 seconds. As you see, they are now closed for 5 seconds and again open for 10 seconds and again close for 5 seconds like that. Okay, so this is very important in practically or most of the time we use this one. So let's do this on the Siemens program. So to save time, I have already created the schematic manager. Okay, only you have to do on the one thing on the hardware is to activate the clock pulse. Okay, as you see, the clock pulse must be active. It's 0, so we will use this one later. Okay, so let's start the programming. So I will insert one function block. Okay, let's say make it 10. This one time it on off opening and time it open or closing of valves. Okay, I am trying to use this function for controlling many valves, so I have to create some local variable here. The first one is the clock pulse 1 second clock pulse boolean. The second is the production, so this is also boolean, and valve open time, this one double integer, and valve break time double integer. We done for the input. For output we will do open valve boolean. In the start state we will add some variables, count, open time of the valve, opening time. Again, this is double count, the break time of valve. This will count the closing of the valve. The other positive trigger 1 boolean positive trigger 2. This is also boolean. So I'm done creating the local variables. Okay, let's close this one. Let's add one network. Opening or closing, then valve closing time counter. You can make like this. Here I make and the positive trigger and add double. Okay, so this one is the clock pulse, and this one is production. Okay, and this one is the positive trigger one. Here we add for counting of the opening time. Okay, I think this one. Yes. So again we add a comparator. Greater than double this one, and we add positive trigger here. Okay, and then add double. So this one is the valve opening time, and this one is the counter for this one. You can make it copy and paste here. Positive trigger 2. Okay, then the break time counter will start here. Valve break time. Okay, great. So let's greater than double. So we compare valve break time with the counter. If it is greater than, then reset the counters. Then move like this. Sorry. Move 0. Open time counter and move 0. Close time or break time counter. Okay, we have done for the counter. So let's add one network. We can make it reset or reset the counters. The counters at no production. If there is no production, though, reset the counters. So we do the same. Move. Here we make it production and 0 to the open time counter, and here make it also the break or the closing bulb counter. Okay, we add one variable now, one network here for opening the valve or the output. Open the valves. So here we will make it again at production comparator, let down here production is less than counter of the opening time, then open the bulb. This one. Okay, I am done creating the function block. Okay, let's see one time again. Everything is okay, so let's call our function on our OB1 to cyclic execution. Okay, let's call the function block. Let's create instant db10. Okay, clock pulse I have already said that's M0.5, and production is I have already production start time MD 20. Open here MD 24, and here Q 10.0. Okay, done. So I have done. So let's check one time that's working or not. Okay, so let's monitor our function. Let's start production. Select production, but nothing is happening because we didn't set the opening time and the closing time. So this will change after we give a value for the opening time and the closing. Okay, let's give time. Let's say 20 seconds, and this one 10 seconds. So let's start. Let's start now. Production started. So it's counting. The valves are now open, so the counter is counting. When it reaches at 10 seconds, it will close for 10 seconds again. And counting the closing time, as you see, it's set to 10 seconds. It's now counting 8, 9, 10. Open again. So it works like this. If I stop or deselect the production, the counting will go to the counting time will be 0, so the bulbs will be not open. Okay, thank you for watching me. I'm done on today's video. See you on my next part. If you like it, please subscribe and share my videos. See you on my next video. Thank you.